So your next steps here as we are finishing up module 4, you want to go ahead and create a list of titles that explains the benefits of your course. So, again, like just have fun with it, play with it. The clearer you are, the, we can all want to have these big fluffy titles but again, going back to if you confuse, you lose. So you want to make sure that your title clearly conveys the result. It clearly conveys the ultimate transformation of the promise of your online course or coaching program, of your signature system. Again, I kind of say them all together, but it's your signature system, and then we're going to package it into a product of how you're going to deliver that signature system. And we'll talk more about that tomorrow. But we kind of want to really start getting an idea of what do you want to name it. So create a list of titles that really explain the benefits of your course. And as you brainstorm these, really keep in mind that you want to make sure that you have clarity here, that, does it clearly communicate what your course is offering here? I'm trying to get my mouse. Why isn't it moving? I gotta somehow I have my screens like backwards and I can't always get my mouse to work properly. There it is. Can't always get it to work properly. So anyway, does it really clearly communicate what the course is about? Is it attractive? Does it really appeal and engage your target audience? So is it something that they really resonate with? Does it make sense to them? It can make sense to us all day long, but if it doesn't make sense to your ideal client, you're going to confuse them and you're going to lose them. So does it stand out from other courses, that are in the same niche? So once you have a list, you want to narrow it down further until you have the best title that captures the essence of your course, of your signature methodology. And as you create titles for each step, then again, you can use that for marketing purposes. So they should be catchy and aligned with your overall theme of your signature system. So as we wrap up this module, remember that a powerful title can make all of the difference in being able to attract the right audience to your signature system. So really take some time here and really refine your ideas. Go ahead and test them with potential clients or peers or, colleagues or so forth to be able to get feedback. Is it, again, especially not asking another, person that's in your particular market. Ask somebody that's outside of your market that's not as familiar with the lingo, right, that we tend to use or the jargon that we tend to use. So that, is really good to, ask and like, can you tell by the name of this, like what it would be? That's really, really good to be able to do that. Kind of even thinking like of movie titles and stuff like, for me, I'm always looking at like branding and marketing and, everything is just kind of catching my eye. And can I really tell what that is? Or, does it draw my eye? Am I attracted to it? Do I not like it at all? Why am I attracted to it? What am I looking at here? How did they present this? Like, what makes me want to click on it? Like, really start to get curious about all of these things that you see, things that you click on, the better the more you get curious and the more you start really kind of researching your competitors as well, and just kind of getting curious about ads and marketing and design. And I mean, I love it. You may not love it as much as I do, but that's why I do what I do, because I just love it so much. And it's just really interesting on, how when you done right, you really can have your magnetic messaging and effective titling can really, help you to be able to attract the right clients into your brand. And that's what we really want to do here. So any questions you have on that, go ahead and post them in the group. Remember, there are prizes to be won. So the person that is the most engaged, that is watching all of the training, that's doing all of the action steps, making sure that you're doing those actions and steps, the worksheets that I have for you and the action guide, turning them into the Facebook group so you can get some feedback from myself and your peers. Engaging with the other people, other peers inside the community, giving feedback on each other's, work. Like the more you engage, there are prizes to be won. So make sure you do that. Share me on socials, take a picture of this training and make sure to tag me at Course Launch Mastery to be able to be eligible for points for those prizes. So and the next module, we're going to be module 5. Can you believe we're nearing the end already? But in Module 5, we're going to be packaging this all up and talking about how the different containers in more depth and how you can package this and repurpose it into multiple different products and services in your product suite to be able to scale your business and really create a profitable and sustainable business. So if you're excited about that, let me know. Give me some love on this live, and let me know again if you have any questions, and we will see you in the next lesson.